So, guys, with the name of God, Ram Ram, today we are going to solve a very interesting problem which was asked in PayPal OA. Okay, for SDE plus intern role, its CTC is 28 lakhs. It's a hard unseen DSA problem. Okay, now this is not a popular DSA problem, so we'll try to come towards its solution organically. Okay, the name of the problem is break sort. You are given an array of n positive integers. Okay, guys, so what can be the value of n? What can be the value of n, guys? It might not be in the image, but in the actual question, n can be as large as 10 raised to 5. But great, nice, awesome. What can be the range of each element, guys? Range of each element. Let's say we have an array B of size n. It can be as large as 10 raised to 8 or 10 raised to 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, guys, the question is very, very simple that you are given an array. The array size can be as large as 10 raised to 5, and each element inside the array is always as large as 10 raised to 9, right? So, guys, the array and the constraints. Acha, constraints pick we have kya? I think we don't have the. Acha, we have the constraint pick. Very good, very good, very good. Let's solve it for 10 raised to 10 as well. Doesn't matter. Okay. So, guys, the question is telling you that we are giving you an array. Make this array sorted. You want to convert the given array into a sorted array. In one operation, what you can do? You can break a number into two parts and replace that number by the two parts at the given position. So, guys, understanding of the problem, is it clear or not to everyone? Start writing yes in the chat. Understanding. Given an array of size n, make that array sorted. Make that array sorted by doing some operations. What operation you can do? Break any number into two parts. Break any number into two parts. X plus y, and replace the number by those two parts. Take any number into two parts and replace the number by the two parts, guys. This much basic stuff is clear to most of my students. Very good, very nice. So now I'm giving you an example. Always remember, to improve OA, you should be having good English comprehension skills. Convert the large paragraphs into small, small 1 to 2 lines. Then whatever is the hard unseen DSA problem of 1 to 2 lines, learn how to solve this. For this, do the Pro DSA plan with revision strategy. Now, guys, I'm giving you an example. You guys have to tell me how can you make this a sorted array. 5, 4, 8. Guys, tell me, how will you make this a sorted array? Use your brain. Which element? This is not sorted. This is not in increasing order. How will you make this array sorted? Everyone start writing their suggestions in the chat. 548 is not sorted. What you can do is you can pick an element and break it into two parts. सबको समझ आ गया? You have to break 5 only. Can anyone use your brain and tell me why are you breaking 5? You are breaking 5 because this guy should be less than equal to 4 and this guy should be less than equal to 8. So you break 5 into what? 1 and 4, or you can break in 2 and 3. Doesn't matter. Once you break, it looks like this: 2 3 4 8 or 1 4 4 8. So in this problem you are able to convert it into a sorted array. Yes. How many operations did it take you to convert it into sorted array? Everyone write in the chat. How many breaking you have to do? You have to break only one time, guys. One time break. You have to break only one time. Good, great, nice. Nice. Good. Now I'm going to give you many different examples, okay? Have to use your own brain. 5, 15, 10, 8. Tell me, guys, tell me. How will you convert this into a sorted array? Use your brain. God gave you brain. Please use it. Please. Try to use the brain, guys. Try to use the brain. God gave you fantastic brain. Please try to use it. obviously this guy is 8. This number should be less than 8 na. So you should break it into two parts such that both the parts are less than 8. Both the parts are less than 8. You can break it into 5 5 na. 5 5. This 15 you break it into three parts. First you break it into 10 and 5. Then you break this 10 into 5 and 5. So basically if you are dividing in two parts na, you can basically say you can divide in any number of parts you want, क्योंकि जो part है उसको और divide कर सकते हैं ना. You can further divide the part. So this phi, this phi, this phi, and this phi. So basically here you divide this number into three parts, phi, and you divide this number into two parts. It takes one operation. And making this 15 into three phi's take two operation. Guys, do you agree that making 15 into three phi's take two operation? First, what will you do? You will break like this. This takes one operation. Then you will break this 10 into two phi. So phi plus phi, then the last phi. One operation here, one operation here, guys. Congratulations. Awesome. Two operation it takes to dissolve this element. One operation it takes to dissolve this element. Total three operation it takes to make the array sorted, guys. Everyone start writing 3 in the chat. Be quick, don't waste time. Be quick, don't waste in the time. You understood ना कैसे breaking और सब हो रहा है? Good, very nice. Good, very nice. Awesome. Intelligent, super intelligent student. What is 10 by 8? It comes as 1. So you take the pointer, you take the 2, and you say, yeah, good, great. So, guys, now see, we are Kumar K student. We don't know what we should do. We don't know what we should do. How to solve the question? So, guys, what is the first observation you can do? You can do a very basic observation that let's say there are some numbers like this. Basic observation is that the last number, you will never break the last number. Common sense or not, guys? Is it common sense or not? Why are you breaking the last number? If there is no need to break the last number, it is already, the last number needs to be the largest guy. If you break this guy, let's say you divide the 8, let's say this was 18. चलो समझो ये 18 था. If you divide this 18 into 2 and say you divide this 18 into 8 and 10, then you are at a loss. You are at a loss, guys. You are at a loss. Why? You are breaking this 18 into 8 and 10. Your sequence will become invalid because here it is 10. 2, 10, 8, 10 is not sorted. You are making the number smaller. If you make the number smaller, how will it deal with the other numbers which are in the sequence? You need lots of feelings for this question. This is not an easy question, guys. My hypothesis is that you never need to break the last number, because if you break the last number becomes smaller, and you, for the array to be sorted, last number should be strictly greater than equal to second last number. अगर आप इसी को तोड़ के छोटा कर दोगे तो चांसेस कम नहीं हो जाएंगे कि ये सेकंड लास्ट से बड़ा हो. कॉमन सेंस नहीं है ये. If you break the last number into smaller parts, the chances of it being greater than equal to second last number will decrease, and we don't want that. We want the last number to be greater than equal to second last number. Yes or no, guys? Guys, don't we want that the last number is greater than equal to, yeah. So organically, let's try to reach the solution as a Kumar K student. Organically, observation. What do we want? We want last number greater than equal to second last, greater than equal to third last, greater than equal to first number. Then only the array will be sorted, na? So last number should never be broken. should never be broken, because if you break it into two parts, any one part of that will have less chance, to be greater than equal to the second last number. So that's it, guys. This is the basic observation. Everyone react with emojis in the meeting if they understand. Bhaiya, I agree that you should never break the last number. Never break the last number. If you break the last number, na, it will become small. If it becomes small, how will it be greater than equal to 10? So no matter what is the last number, never break it, guys. Never break it. Clear? सब मान गए इस बात को? Thank you, Balaji. Thank you, Raghunath. Thank you, Aditya. Thank you, Sahil. Great. You never break the last number. Now, guys, let's say how will we solve this question for just two numbers, okay? Let's use our brain. 24 comma 8 is given, okay? Last number you can never break. You want this 24 to become less. Guys, can you feel what am I trying to do? You want to break 24 into some parts such that all the parts of 24 are less than equal to 8. Let's solve for array of size 2. Always try to solve for small subproblems. You want to break 24 into some parts such that all those parts are less than equal to 8. Guys, what are the possibilities? Can you tell me? I can break it like this, na? 2 plus 8 plus 8 plus 6 plus 8. Yes or no, guys? I break 24 into 2 plus 6 plus 8 plus 8. Then it will look like this. 2 comma 6 comma 8 comma 8 comma the last 8, and the array will become sorted. So guys, do you understand what is the question all about? I want you to get the feeling, guys. You are guys are not getting the feeling. The feeling is that if I'm giving you two numbers, okay, and this number is bigger than this number, then the question is asking you break this number into some parts such that all the parts of that number are less than equal to 8, but those parts should be as less as possible. अरे कौन सी बड़ी बात है भाई, अगर मुझे ब्रेक ही करना होता तो 24 को 1111 नहीं लिख देता मैं, 1 प्लस 1 प्लस 1 प्लस 1 प्लस 1. This will always be less than equal to 8. Problem solved, sir. Some innocent student will come to me and tell me, problem solved, sir. Solved, sir. I break 24 into 1 time 24 and all of them are less than equal to 8. Congratulations. But why is this not good? Because you are breaking it into 24 parts. We want minimum part breaking. Okay, the question is asking you that only. Break it into minimum number of operations. So we have, the question is saying you break the 24 into minimum number of parts such that all those parts are less than equal to 8. Only then the array will become sorted. So guys, you can use a common sense here. See, my students are so intelligent. They are writing the answer. See, that's why I say we always come to the answer organically. No inorganic stuff, guys. No artificial stuff. See, 15 students have already given the answer. Such intelligent students. Good job, Shubham. Good. So guys, the thing is that अब आप क्या चाहते हो, खुद ही दिमाग लगा लो ना. आप चाहते हो 24 को तोड़ दूं कि सारा 24 का पार्ट 8 से छोटा हो जाए. So very easy. 24 is there, 8 is there. You want to break 24 such that all the parts of 24 become less than equal to 8. It's easy. Do 24 by 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 threes are 24. 8 times 3 is 24. So break it into 3 8 na. Done. Congratulations. Whatever is this number now, you divide it by this number. You will come to know that this number is multiple of how many times 8, and you divide it like this. Now guys, there is one guarantee. What is the guarantee? Whenever you do 24 by 8 now, it is guaranteed that whatever parts you are dividing now, it is the minimum number of parts possible. You can never divide 24 in less than 3 parts. You have to divide 24 into 3 parts. Only then those 3 parts will be less than equal to 8. अब मैं आपको ना ऐसे जाने नहीं दूंगा, पूरी पहले फीलिंग लाऊंगा, ठीक है? आप फीलिंग के लिए रेडी होते हैं? Guys, everyone start writing yes in the chat if they want the feeling now. Yeah. So, now first I want to take easy number only. Guys, this is the array given to you, okay? You want to divide 50 into minimum number of parts such that all those parts are less than equal to 10. What you can do, आप चाहो तो ऐसे कर सकते हो, 9 9 9 9 then 5. But you are dividing 50 into how many parts now? 9 9 9 9 9 5. This is 6 parts. But there is a better way. Better way is क्या? Direct divide 50 by 10. 50 by 10 5 means you can write 10 5 times. And all the parts are less than equal to 10 and your job is done. If you were dividing into 9 and 5, it took 6 parts. This is taking only 5 parts. 5 is our answer. Got it, guys? 5 is our answer. Guys, one more thing. Whatever the number of parts you're dividing now, answer is number of parts minus 1. Guys, can you tell me how many operation it takes to divide 50 into 5 parts of 10? क्या कोई दिमाग लगा के बोल सकता है? Why it takes 4? बच्चे लोग तो 5 बोलेंगे ना भैया. 50 को if you want to convert this 50 into 5 tens, why it takes only 4 operations? Use your brain. Because in first operation you divide into 40 and 10, then you divide into 30 and 10, then you divide into 20 and 10, then you divide into 10 and 10. So total 1 operation, 2 operation, 3 operation, 4 operation. So whatever is the total number of parts now, let's say you divide into 5 tens, आंसर विल बी 5 minus 1, 4 ऑपरेशन रिक्वायर्ड. बिकॉज एक ऑपरेशन में एक ही बार टूटता है. इतना कॉमन सेंस सबको आ गया गाइस? यस, गुड, ग्रेट, नाइस नाइस नाइस. नाउ गाइस, आई विल गिव यू सम इजी एग्जांपल्स मोर, ओके? So let me give you some interesting examples, okay? Best option, guys, best option is always this one, huh? If 24 divisible by 8, then best option is always मतलब 3 times 8. So guys, if the number is divisible, do you guys agree that if both are divisible, the best option is what? Only one best option is there in this whole world. In this whole world, there is only one best option. That you first find out how many times it is the divisible and that many times you write it. उससे better हो ही नहीं सकता, guarantee दे सकता हूँ. Full job guarantee, 20 LPA. Okay. So 3 times 8. So the best division is 8, 8, 8. Why? It is ensuring that all the numbers are less than equal to 8 and also the minimum number of partitions are done. आप कभी भी दो पार्ट में 24 को डिवाइड कर ही नहीं सकते such that both the parts become less than equal to 8. 12 आ जाएगा. So guys, can someone tell me, this is extra question, huh? Why when we are perfectly dividing, why are we getting minimum partitions? Only very intelligent student can tell me this. Whenever I am dividing like this, why am I getting the minimum number of partitions? मेरे कहने का मतलब ये है कि समझो यहां पर 100 था, and there here it is 10. In this case, the best option is nothing but divide this number by this number. 100 by 10, which is 10. So basically, you should divide this into 10 parts like this. This is the best option, guys. I can tell you the easy answer to this. It is the best option because all the numbers in your parts, na, whatever numbers are there in your parts, na, they are as big as possible. When the number in each part is as 10 से बड़ा नंबर ले ही नहीं सकते थे, अलाउड ही नहीं है, हर नंबर लेस देन इक्वल टू 10 है. अब जब एक एक पोटली में सबसे बड़ा बड़ा नंबर डाल दिया है तो कम ही पोटलियां लगेंगी ना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, let's say you have to divide this 100. Now if in each part you start putting a 9 here like this, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 9 9 9 9 9, this becomes 99. So you need to make, okay, wait, sorry, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So guys, this makes 90. So you will have to add how many boxes are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. 11 boxes are required in this case, but if you divide it perfectly 100 by 10, then only 10 boxes are needed. Why guys, why? Because all the elements in these boxes, when you perfectly divide, you get the maximum number. If you are putting the maximum number, it will require less boxes. If you are putting less smaller number, it will require more boxes. फीलिंग आ गई सबको? जब बड़ा नंबर डालेंगे तो कम बॉक्स लगेगा. दिस इज द ग्रीडी स्ट्रेटेजी. ओके, सो ये मैं क्यों करा रहा हूं, ये बताने की जरूरत नहीं है. आपको कोई भी पढ़ाता ना, ये बात कभी नहीं बताता. मैं इसलिए बता रहा हूं ताकि फ्यूचर में प्रॉब्लम ना हो, खुद से आदमी सोच पाए. सो नाउ गाइस, व्हेन यू पुट big item in a box, big item in a box, you require when you put all big items, when you put big item in each, so 24 by 8 guarantees that the biggest valid number 8 is put in 3 boxes. So guys, now all of you agreed with my algorithm. सब लोग मान गए इतने से? Guys, सबको feeling आ गई? Guys, everyone got it now? Okay, now I will give you some more examples. You have to tell me the, like, we are able to solve the question for two size array, yes or no guys? If the numbers are divisible, non-divisible case I have not discussed now. First, let's solve the problem for two size array. So guys, tell me the answer for this. Guys, everyone tell me the answer for this. How many, what should be done for this 50? 10 divisions, right? 10 divisions. So 5 should be coming here 10 times. And guys, you have to break this into 10 numbers. So how many operations it will take? 9 operations. Everyone react in this meeting if they agree that we are able to solve the question if the size of the array is 2 and both are divisible. ये तो solve कर सकते हैं ना? Now guys, which case is left? If they are not divisible. यहाँ पर सबसे ज्यादा बच्चों ने गलती किया, इसलिए इनको जॉब नहीं मिला, 28 लाख नहीं मिला. ठीक है, नॉट डिविजिबल इज नॉट इजी. ये मत सोचना मॉड लेके काम बन जाएगा, थोड़ी देर में ही वाट लग जाएगी. अभी आपको पता चल जाएगा, डोंट वरी, इट इज वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. नाउ वी हैव मैनी ट्रिक्स. ओके, अब देखो आपको बताता हूँ. देखो, तरस आता है कितने बच्चों ने ऐसा गलत गलत सोच के कर लिया. एनीवेज, सो गाइज, नाउ आई विल टेक यू इनटू डीप ओशन. ओके, सो नाउ you have to think about the future also. Okay, future also. Anyways, now let's say, now let me guys decide a very brilliant example. Direct, I don't want to give you guys anything. So, um, if I do those 6 eights are 48, it is giving us 2. So, 50 ways 7. 5 ways 7, 6. Now, guys, I will take you into deep ocean. Okay, I'll take you into deep ocean. Ready for deep ocean, guys? Very deep ocean. Yes, Satabdo, you are correct, Satabdo ji. Everyone start telling me any valid partition. It is okay. 56, 6, 6, 6, 6, guys. अच्छा नहीं नहीं गलत बोल दिया sorry. 50 year 6 year. Tell me. What will you do? Totally confused. Totally confused. Obviously you will again try. इतना तो भनक आपको पता है कि 50 से 60 का डिवाइड तो मारना चाहिए भैया. इसमें कुछ तो बात है. What does happen when you divide 6 by 50? Can anyone give me the exact answer for 50 by 6? So you can know how many boxes you need. 8 times 6 then 2. So guys, how will it look? 8 times you will put a 6, right? Because 50 by sorry, 50 by 6 is coming as what? 6 8 is 48. 8 point something it is coming, right? I hope I am correct. 8 point that is coming, right? Yeah, 8 point something. So guys, does everyone agree that अगर दो ही number होते तो this is a valid partition? We would write the 6 here, then more 6, then the first number we will write it as 2. How many partition it takes? If it is not an exact divisible number, the number of partition it takes is dividing number plus 1 for this extra number. So it is 9 parts you have to divide, and it will take 8 operations to do. So guys, let's not talk about the operations. First operations तो पता ही है, number of parts -1 है. आप ये बताओ number of parts कितने आएंगे basic. In a basic game, what to do for the number of parts? Is it clear? You will directly divide, and if it is not divisible, you will add +1. Whatever is the remainder, you add it in the first part. Now it is guaranteed. Remainder will always be less than equal to 6 ना. Common sense लगाओ. तो ये चेक करने की जरूरत नहीं है कि remainder 6 से छोटा है कि नहीं है. समझ गए? कोई कोई बच्चे वो भी होशियारी मारेंगे. Remainder you don't need to check. Okay? Okay, nice, good. So guys, this much you understood. But guys, there is a problem. Okay? There's a very big problem. What if you had to solve this question for 3 numbers? Okay? You had to solve this question for 3 numbers. Okay? So just a second. Let me imagine. So you divide it into 9 parts, right? Yeah. Into 9. Uh, that's 7. When I'm doing coding with you people, I also forget basic stuff these days. Okay, good, good. Yeah, good, nice. So, I am thinking something else, guys. You will never understand what I am trying to think. Okay, so 8 point that is coming. So, that's what happens when you come to the when you come to the session without thinking the solution. So it's looking like, yeah, 50 by 9. Okay. Hmm. Good, great. Okay. Nice. Got it. So guys, now changing the question for you. So you get confused. 6, 50. Okay. Guys, you know how to solve for this? Yes or no, guys? Yeah. So guys, now the common sense. See, Mohammad Komar Tagi and Satabdo. Give reactions and emojis for them. Okay. Guys, this much you are able to solve, yes or no? Aditya Raj, is this much clear to you? Because someone is saying I am confused. What are you confused? You know na, for getting the best answer, you always divide this number by this number. So what is 50 by 6? 50 by 6 is what? 8. Matlab 6 should be used 8 number of times. If you use 6 8 number of times, it will give you 48. But you want it as 50, na? So 48 plus 2. And these 48s are nothing but the 6 coming 8 times, and there are 2. All these partitions, 9 parts you made, are less than equal to 6. Simple, Aditya Raj, simple. Clear? Clear? Good. Good, good, good. Yes, Satabdo ji, good. Now, guys, without wasting my time, how will you solve this? This is array of size 3. Now, what you will do? First, you see this and you divide it into these parts. This becomes a 2, and 6 is coming for 8 times. So you successfully divided it like this. But now, guys, 2 is bigger than 5, like is smaller than 5, right? So you will have to divide this 5 into 1 2 2, something like this you will do, right? Common sense it is. Yes or no, guys? This is one of the partitions possible. Everyone write yes in the chat. Everyone write yes. But what if I tell you this is wrong? This is wrong answer. Why is this wrong answer? मतलब ये correct है. The number of partitions you are doing is very much high. You can do it in less partitions. You are doing 9 partitions here, 3 partitions here, total 12 partitions. Can anyone in this meeting solve this in less than 12 partitions? If yes, it means that breaking like this is not good. Why is breaking like this not good, guys? मैं आपको बताऊं क्यों अच्छा नहीं है. बताता हूं. Whenever you are breaking this 2 and then all the 6 are there, can you see the smallest number is the smallest division, the smallest partitional guy is 2? Everyone write yes in the chat. सब लोग 2 लिखो. सब लोग 2 लिखो बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए. So this 2 is not good for our health. Why? Because when a small number comes here, it has less probability of being greater than equal to the previous element which is going to come. अगर ये नंबर बड़ा होता, if this number was big, there were chances that it would be bigger than this, then you won't have to divide this and your number of operations would get saved. Guys, do you agree? The last remainder should be as large as possible. So what you can do is use a common sense. Okay. Some sixes are like this, right? You know, like India versus Sri Lanka, I saw. Then there was one more match, I don't remember. That was even worse than this. The team only made 50 runs. Guys, which one was that team? Can you tell in the chat, please? All out in 50? No. Sri Lanka took 80, na? Yeah, I don't remember, but all were out in only 50 runs, guys. Only 50 runs. अच्छा साउथ अफ्रीका 80. ओके गॉट इट गुड नाइस. सो गाइज आप एक बात को समझिए. आप क्या चाहते हैं? सबका भगवान कौन है? ही इज द गॉड ऑफ एवरीवन. दिस 6. ओके यू डिवाइडेड दिस 50 इनटू दिस पार्ट्स. ऑल ऑफ देम आर लेस देन इक्वल टू 6. आप इसको बड़ा करना चाहते हो. सो गाइज एक बात बताओ. डज रिच मैन शुड गिव टू पुअर मैन और पुअर मैन शुड गिव टू रिच मैन? यूज योर ओन ब्रेन. Rich man give to poor man, or yeah, so who is rich? These guys are rich. So remove 1 from here 6 and add here. It will look like this 3. Remove 1 from here and add here. Look like this 4. And this will become 5. Remove 1 from here and add there. This will look 5. Now just stop. Now if you sort, you can see that you have some 5s, you have some 6, and the minimum guy is 5. Now you don't need to do any breakup. No breakup needed. Enjoy with your partner. 5 is here. आपका छोटा में सबसे छोटा कौन आ रहा है? 5 आ रहा है, राइट? तो आपका एरे कैसे दिखेगा? ऐसा दिखेगा, 5 5 5, 1 2 3 4 बार ना, फिर 1 2 3 4 5, 6 5 30, 5 4 20. So this phi is obviously less than equal to the first element of the array. No need to divide. 9 is the answer. No need to do 12. Did your mind get blown by this solution? Everyone start reacting with emojis. समझ गए guys? ऐसे भी हम लोग उसको काट सकते थे. Very easy it is. Very easy. Very easy. Like people message me and call me so much. Na, don't what to say. So just let me check some of my favorite students. So guys, just a second. Okay, guys. Yes, guys. So, why do I stop in middle of session? I stop in middle of session because some or the other person will always call me. Okay, I will get 100 message in 1 hour and 5 calls for sure. And then you guys are worrying why Kumar K sir is not replying. How can he reply? I can keep 5 mentors below me, but they will not give you good service. That's why I'm not hiring more mentor. Okay. Anyways, guys, what is happening? आप कौन सा लास्ट पार्ट बोल रहे हो? आपको ये पार्ट अब तक नहीं समझा क्या? इतना जो बेसिक बताया था. दिस इज 50, दिस इज 6 एंड दिस इज 5. What do you do normal algorithm without knowing any extra stuff? You do 50 by 6, you get it 8 here. It means 6 should be used 8 number of times. This is 6 8 is a 48. 2 more is left, you add a 2 here. Now the array is looking like this: 5, then 2, then this 6, then this 6. This is taking 9 operations. But because this the first number here is 2, this guy needs to be less than equal to this 2, right? So you will break this 5 into 1 2 2. So 1 2 2 will come, then 2, then all this 6, then this 6. Break this into 3 parts, break this into 9 parts. The total number of parts you get are 12. The total number of parts you get are 12. Yeah, but there are some people now I need to explain again and again. Guys, please understand Anubhav, right? Yes, if you understood this much, that in this, if you do normally, the total number of parts are 12. But this is not good. This last part 2 is coming now. This is very small and this is not good for us. Because if the last number, the smallest number of the partition, if it is very, very small, it is not a good thing. Because this guy will not be greater than equal to this guy. If this 2 is not greater than equal to this 5, you will have to break the 5. If you break the 5, your number of operations are increasing. So I want you to break the 50 in such a manner such that the smallest partition is as large as possible. यहाँ पर 2 नहीं आना चाहिए. मेरे को 2 चाहिए ही नहीं. तो अभी आप ही खुद ही का दिमाग लगाओ. ये आपको मैंने दे दिए 9 नंबर. अब आपको जो करना है करो ये 9 नंबर के साथ. बट ये लास्ट का नंबर 2 नहीं होना चाहिए, बड़ा होना चाहिए. क्या करोगे? रिमूव 1 फ्रॉम इट और ये वाला 1 इसको दे दो भाई. 3 and 5 ऐसा लिख लो. कोई पैसा नहीं ले रहा है. Remove 1 from this 6 and give 1 to this 3. It looks like this. Clear? Remove 1 from here. सही से नहीं लिखा था क्या मैंने? So what did I do, guys? I remove 1 from this 6 and give to this guy. It becomes 3. Then I remove from here, it becomes 4. I remove from here, it becomes 5. Okay. So basically what is happening, 3 4 5, yeah, it becomes 5. So that becomes 5 and these 3 sixes I reduced 1 from them now. So now I have 4 5s. And how many 6 I have? 5 6. These 6 are remaining. अनुभव अनुभव हुआ अभी आपको? हम with the same numbers without changing the total sum, I am able to change the 2, 4 times 6, 8 times 6, 2 and 8 times 6 to 2 and 8 times 6 to 4 times 5 and 5 times 6. इसका भी सम इज 50 एंड जो पहले लिखा था ना 2 और 4 बार 6, इसका भी सम 50 है. But why is this better? Because the smallest number here is 5. Because the smallest number here is 5, you don't have to break the first 5 of your array. Because your smallest number is 5 ना, 5 is already greater than equal to 5. क्यों इसको तोड़ के और छोटा करने की जरूरत है? As you are not breaking this previous number, the number of partitions are not increasing. नहीं तो ये 5 को आपको 1 to 2 में ब्रेक करना पड़ रहा था ताकि ये 2 लेस देन इक्वल टू 2 हो. समझे? अगर आप इसको ब्रेक नहीं करना चाहते, इफ यू डोंट वांट टू ब्रेक द फर्स्ट नंबर, then the whatever the partitions are there for this number, the smallest partition should be as large as possible, so that maintains the guarantee that the previous number which is going to come, it will be divided into as less parts as possible. Such a deep greedy problem, my goodness. But most of the intelligent people or the people who listen to me carefully can understand. Everyone start writing yes if they finally start understanding कि भाई हमको 50 को डिवाइड करना था, कर दिया डिवाइड, बट उसके बाद काम नहीं बनता है. क्वालिटी ऑफ डिवाइडिंग यू हैव टू चेक. आपके पास दो ऑप्शन है, अब आप ही दिमाग लगाओ. आपके पास गाइस दो ऑप्शन है, अनुभव को ही बोल देता हूं. इधर यू डिवाइड द 50 इनटू लाइक दिस, और यू डिवाइड द 50 लाइक दिस. Anubhav, write in the chat. This is the first option. This is the second option. Which option is better to divide the 50 into the partitions? Anubhav, write in the chat. Why is second option better, Anubhav? It is better because the smallest number is 5, which is big. Here the smallest number was 2. I want a big small number. मतलब छोटा भी हमको बड़ा चाहिए, इतने ग्रीडी हो गए बच्चे. क्या बोलते सर, आई वांट अ बैकअप ऑफर. बैकअप ऑफर भी 10-15 लाख का चाहिए. समझो बात को, समझे? भावना समझ आ गई अभी आपको? जो कम है वो भी बड़ा चाहिए. क्यों बड़ा चाहिए? व्हेन दिस गाय इज बिग ना, तो क्या होता है, जैसे यहां पर इट वॉज 5, 50 एंड 6. Now, if you divide it into the guys where the smallest guy is 5 and the biggest guy is 6, then you don't have to worry about this number. This number is already greater than less than equal to this in the sorted format. But if you divide it into in such a manner that such that the 2 is coming, then the 6 is coming, then you are dash. 2 is coming. You fail. You have to divide this also because this 5 is not less than equal to 2. सॉर्टेड करने के लिए इसको भी तोड़ के 1 to 2 करना पड़ेगा. बढ़ गए ना नंबर ऑफ ऑपरेशंस. नंबर ऑफ ऑपरेशंस कम कर लेते हैं हमको चाचा जी. फाइनली क्लियर गाइस. रिएक्ट विद इमोजीज. मेरे जितना कोई नहीं समझाया कभी जिंदगी में. हाँ ठीक है. अब गाइस देयर इज ओनली वन क्वेश्चन लेफ्ट. एक ही क्वेश्चन रह गया है. बताओ वो क्वेश्चन क्या है? अब मैं आपको क्वेश्चन आपके मुंह के सामने डायरेक्टली दे रहा हूं. द क्वेश्चन इज दैट if you solve this question now, full problem solved, 28 lakhs in your pocket. Question is that when you are given two numbers, when they are divisible no problem, but when they are non-divisible, how to divide this guy in such a way that the smallest number is the biggest number and the number of partitions are as minimum as possible? What is the algorithm to do it? If you can figure out this algorithm, your job is done, guys. Job is done. So guys, I will tell you what is the trick. The trick is, this is 50, this is 6, right? What you should do now, first you try to do 50 by 6 to get a rough idea how many parts can come. Guys, what is 50 by 6? Tell me. Yes, Aditya Raj, I am also proud to be your teacher. Guys, exact answer दो यार, point के साथ. मजाक मस्ती नहीं, point के साथ. Good. Harshi Jain is a very brilliant student. 8.33 मतलब 8.33 बक्से से बना सकते हो. So guys, if you want to, guys एक बात बताऊं, एकदम सिंपल सी बात पूछ रहा हूं आपको लाइफ में, ठीक है? It basically means that if you want to divide 50 into some parts such that all the parts are less than equal to 6, you can divide it into 8.33 boxes. But guys, what did I teach you earlier? What if I divided it only in 8 box? We क्वेश्चन मैथमेटिक्स इज सेइंग कि 8.33 बॉक्स चाहिए. अगर आपने 8 बॉक्स में करने का ट्राई किया तो क्या होगा, जरा दिमाग लगाना. One number will be become greater than 6. One number will become greater than 6. Guys, do you agree? अगर 8.33 के जगह कम बॉक्स में किया तो कहीं ना कहीं से तो मोटापा बाहर निकलेगा ना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, समझो आपका पेट इतना सा था, ठीक है, 8.33 साइज का. मतलब अब मैं कैसे कोई एग्जांपल लूं. एनीवेज गाइस, द थिंग इज दैट सी यू हैड स्पेस ऑफ दिस मच, ओके, but I am telling you that put your 50 in this 8 only, then obviously some extra part will come out. Due to this, that extra part, each one of the numbers will break the rule of having all the numbers less than equal to 6. प्रूफ करके दिखाऊं आपको? अभी प्रूफ करता हूं. समझो 50 को मैंने 8 में डिवाइड करने का ट्राई किया. Let's say I put a 6 here, 6 here, 6 here, 6 here. 6 is the biggest number I can use, right? 6 sevens are 42. Here I have to use 8. So the total is coming as 50. Guys, rule is getting break. Do you guys realize it? Can you feel it? The rule is getting break. Whenever जब भी पॉइंट में नंबर आ रहा है, समझो 8 पॉइंट कुछ भी आ रहा है यार, अगर तुम पॉइंट को हटा के 8 में करोगे ना तो कहीं ना कहीं फेल हो जाओगे. कोई ना कोई नंबर 6 से बड़ा हो जाएगा. वी वांट ऑल टू बी बिग एंड ऑल टू बी लेस देन इक्वल टू 6. सो गाइस, अब ध्यान से सोचना, अभी एकदम आंसर एकदम बाजू में. गाइस, when 8.33 is there and you are dividing in 8 box, you are getting wrong answer. Everyone write yes in the chat if they agree with this, that if 8.33 is the actual requirement, obviously हम लोग क्या कहते हैं, 0.33 के बॉक्स नहीं बना सकते. क्वेश्चन में हमको वी हैव टू डिवाइड इन इंटीजर बॉक्सेस. 8 में फेल हो रहा है तो गाइस वो कौन सा नंबर है जिसमें पक्का पास होगा? 9. 9 guys, 9. 9 will surely pass. Guaranteed. Full guarantee. 9 is bigger than this. It is an integer number. It will surely pass. 10 will also pass. 11 will also pass. But guys, 9 will pass. 9 boxes can hold this 50. 10 will can also hold this 50. 11 can also hold this 50. But guys, 9, 10, 11 में से आप कौन सा चूज करोगे? जरा दिमाग लगा के बताना. 9, 10, 11 में से सब लोग 9 का मीनिंग बता सकते हैं? क्यों? कोई बता सकता है क्यों स्मॉल वाले को क्यों ले रहे हो? क्योंकि जब when we divide it into only small parts ना, each number is as big as possible. और हम यही चाहते थे ना कि सारे नंबर बड़े हो, तभी तो सबसे छोटा नंबर भी बड़ा होगा. When you divide 50 into 9 parts ना, all the guys in those 9 boxes will be much larger if you divide the 50 into 10 parts. So whenever you get in point form na, and if you want to ensure that you get the minimum partitions in the maximum numbers, just go +1. Divide it into 9 parts. Now अब 9 parts में कैसे करेंगे? चलो समझो 50 है, यहां पर लिखा था 6. आपने क्या किया? 50/6 किया. आपने देखा 8 पॉइंट कुछ आ रहा है. you like took the seal function, इसको 9 में कर दिया. 50 को 9 में डिवाइड करो गाइस, कितने नंबर होते? जल्दी बताओ. Tell me the rough answer of 50/9 guys. 50/9 rough answer, please fast guys, fast. अब हर्षी 8 क्या लिख रही हो? थोड़ा तो कैलकुलेटर से. हाँ, 5.5 राइट. तो मैं अगर पॉइंट को इग्नोर कर दूं तो 5 आ जाएगा. मतलब मेरे को कुछ नहीं करना है. आई हैव टू मेक 9 बॉक्सेस ऑफ साइज 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. तो 5 9 से कितना हो जाता है? 45 हो जाता है. कितना हो जाता है? नाउ गाइस, बिकॉज दिस इज इन द मॉड्यूल हो ना, फीलिंग आ रही है कि नहीं आ रही है? I directly divided and I'm putting the small numbers inside it. $50 and 6 was there. You want to divide this 50 into as minimum parts as possible, such that all the individual parts are as big as possible. Only then will be the smallest partition as big as possible. So what can you do? You do 50 by 6, which gives you 8.33 boxes. This is not good. I will use 9. So I want to divide 50 into 9. So this gives 5.5. Ignore the point 5. I can put 5 in each box. If I put 5 in each box, visualize with me. Visualize. Where the heck did it go? I know no one teaches like me. So 5, 5, 5 guys like this. So guys, this is 45. अभी आपको क्या चाहिए? 50 चाहिए था. कितना बढ़ाना है? 5 बढ़ाना है. So you want to add 5 numbers. So just add +1 wherever you want. No problem. +1 here. +1 here. +1 here. +1 here. +1 here. So this becomes 6, 6, 6, 6, 6 and rest are 5. So guys, problem has been solved. Whatever the whatever the one number extra is there, now you directly divide and you put all the numbers in the boxes given. That number is guaranteed the smallest number, and whatever extra stuff is left now, you divide it by +1 +1 +1 in the different boxes. None of them will ever exceed 6. It is common sense. दिमाग लगाओ. Already 5 into 9 45 है, जो 50 से कम है. अब because this is coming as the multiple or a remainder of 5 and 6, लेफ्ट ओवर आपका जो भी बचेगा ना, वो 9 बॉक्सेस से कम ही रहेगा, क्योंकि आपने 9 में डिवाइड किया है. तो आपका लेफ्ट ओवर 5 ही है. तो अगर आप 5 नंबर को कहीं पर एक एक दे भी दोगे तो 5 ही लोग 5 से 6 में जाएंगे. कभी नौबत नहीं आएगी कि किस नंबर को 7 या 8 बनाना पड़ जाए. गाइस, फुल फीलिंग आ गई. द फीलिंग इज दैट if you have 50, or let's say you have 60, and here it is a 8, what will you do? 60 by 8 you will do. Guys, what is 60 by 8? Solution is very simple. What is 60 by 8? Everyone write in the chat, what is 60 by 8? पॉइंट फॉर्म में बताना जरा. जल्दी लिखो यार, जल्दी. कैलकुलेटर फास्ट. 7.4. सो गाइज, 7 बॉक्स में तो डिवाइड कर नहीं सकते, 8 में कर लेते हैं, बेस्ट है वो. तो 8 में डिवाइड करेंगे तो we have to divide this into 8 boxes. 8 will be a good option, right? 8 will be a very good option. So what can you do? 60 by 8 कितना होता है? 60 by 8 कितना होता है? I'm just checking the previous example. Okay, got it. Guys, yeah. So the thing is, यहाँ पर 60 है और आप चाहते हो this becomes greater than equal to 8. So you do 60 by 8, it gives you 7.4. So फिर से 80 आ गया, तो 60 by 8 फिर से कितना आता है? This is a random example, same number is coming. So basically फिर से 7 point कुछ आता है. So what will I do? What will I do? I will only consider 7, guys. I will only consider 7. Guys, now you have to tell me the answer, okay? 100. 100. 7. 100 by 7. What is the answer? Write in the chat, everyone. 100 by 7 कितना होता है? 14.28. Assuming, so guys, you can divide it into 14.28. So how many boxes should you divide it into to get the best answer? Everyone write in the chat. 15 boxes. Interesting student, Gaurav. Very intelligent. तो 15 बॉक्स में डिवाइड मारना है, तो 100 बाय 15 कितना होता है? राइट इन द चैट. एवरीवन राइट इन द चैट. फास्ट 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 फास्ट. 100 by 15, what is the answer? 6.66. मतलब 15 बॉक्स बनाने हैं आपको. बॉक्स 1, बॉक्स 2, बॉक्स 6, बॉक्स 7, बॉक्स 8, बॉक्स 9, बॉक्स 10, बॉक्स 11, बॉक्स 12, बॉक्स 13, बॉक्स 14, बॉक्स 15. सब में क्या डाल दोगे? 6 डाल दोगे. What is 15 into 6, guys? What is 15 into 6? What is 15 into 6? 90. तो हमको क्या चाहिए था, 100 चाहिए था, 90 कर लिया, कितना बचा, 10 बचा, कितना बचा, 10। बिकॉज यू आर डिवाइडिंग बाय 15 ना, द रिमाइंडर विल ऑलवेज बी लेस देन 15, मतलब इनमें से कोई भी 10 को एक एक ऐड कर लो, काम खत्म। पिक एनी 10 guys, add 1 1 1 to them, they become 7 7 7 7 7, rest all are 6, job done guys, algorithm clear। so basically when you do this algorithm ना, एक झटके में आपको पता चल जाता है मिनिमम नंबर कौन सा होना चाहिए था। कभी ऐसा होगा ही नहीं कि इन सबको +1 करना पड़ गया, सबको +1 करना पड़ गया तो ये ऑप्शन ही नहीं आता ना, 15 रिमाइंडर आ ही नहीं सकता। फीलिंग आ गई, फीलिंग, रिमाइंडर 14 ही आ सकता है 15 से डिवाइड कर रहे हो तो एट मैक्स 14 नंबरों को ही +1 करना पड़ेगा, और मिनिमम वाला वही होगा जो हमने डिवाइड करके निकाला है। गाइस प्रॉब्लम हैज बीन सॉल्व्ड, गुड। नाउ गाइस, just like you did guys, you understand ना how to do it for the whole array, there is no rocket science in it, right? कैसे करने का, start from the last number, first you start the battle of this and this, you calculate the number of operations, very good, then whatever is the smallest number ना, you update it as the current smallest number, और इसका लड़ाई इसके साथ कराने का, इसका लड़ाई जब इससे हो जाए तो इसका smallest number क्या बच जाता है लास्ट पार्टीशन, do the fight with the next guy, like this, keep on doing the fight again and again, job is problem solved। guys, do you all realize this basic algorithm? Yeah, guys, do you all realize you will start from the end? You'll start the fighting of the last two guys. Once the fighting of the last two guys is done, whatever the smallest partition you get, you take it and you start fighting with the third last guy. फिर उसकी लड़ाई ऐसे आगे आगे प्रोपोगेट होती जाएगी जब तक फर्स्ट नंबर तक नहीं पहुंच जाते। गाइस, द मेन थिंग इज कि जब दो नंबर आते हैं तो उनको इतना जबरदस्त तरीके से डिवाइड करो कि दो चीजें मेंटेन हो जाए। One is minimum number of partitions, another is even the smallest number is as big as possible, because when the smallest number is as big as possible, there are highest chances that it will always be the greater than it will have higher chances to be greater than equal to this guy. If it is greater than equal to this guy you will not have to partition, so number of partitions will be less, and if you have to partition then you will have to do less number of partitions। ये भी मैं आपको बता देता हूँ। फॉर एग्जाम्पल समझिए यहाँ पर 50 था, यहाँ पर 6 था, ठीक है, तो वन ऑप्शन इसकी 2 ला दो, सारे 6 ला दो, सो लेट्स से हियर इट वाज अ 4, ओके, और लेट्स से हियर इट वाज सम नंबर वाज देयर, ओके, सो यू विल हैव टू डिवाइड बिकॉज 2 इज सच अ स्मॉल नंबर। बट अगर ये बड़ा होता ना तो या तो यू डोंट हैव टू डिवाइड एट ऑल, और इवन इफ यू हैव टू डिवाइड, यू हैव टू डिवाइड वेरी लेस। बड़ा नंबर है ना तो बड़ा नंबर को डिवाइड करने के लिए लेस ही लगेगा, समझे? छोटे नंबर को भाई, छोटे नंबर की, छोटा नंबर बहुत डिमांडिंग होता है। अगर इधर बाजू में 100 पड़ा है ना तो 2 50 बार डिवाइड करना पड़ जाएगा, और अगर लास्ट पार्टीशन जो तुमने लड़ाई में से अगर ये 2 की जगह 5 निकाला होता तो क्या होता, फर्क देख रहे हो? ये 100 को 5 को 20 बार डिवाइड मारना पड़ता, समझे? कैन यू फील इट दैट व्हेनेवर the partition which you are doing, if the smallest number is 2, then the next number will have to break 50 times in 2, but if this guy was just big number which we are using in our algorithm 5, then this 100 would only have to break 20 times। full clear guys? कोने कोने तक 100% clear guys? react with emojis। yes, it is very interesting and clears many greedy concepts, okay? इसको समझाने के लिए मुझे बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ गई है। anyways guys, now so I am giving you this whoever waited till now deserves this link now guys। so guys, C++, Java, Python code, let's start our formality guys। what is the space time complexity? yes you are correct Krishna Nandube, love you Krishna Nandube। so guys, O of n time, only travel the array one time and keep dividing O of one space। let's go, this recording will go down as one of the best recording in the history, okay, best DSC sessions। so now guys, what will we do? Such type of questions no one is going to teach you। anyways, now let's open guys C++ code। you take the n size of array, you read all the elements, very good, nice, great, you start iterating from the second last number, last so you already know na, and you start the fighting। if this is greater than this, then you divide this by seal, answer equal to answer plus partition -1 करना था, याद है? then maximum is nothing but v of I by partition, whatever the smallest number you're getting। else you just update your like maxim as v of I. ये अपडेट करना भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लेट्स से क्वेश्चन इज लाइक दिस. सो फर्स्ट योर मैक्सिम इज 5. फिर जब आपका झड़प होगा इसके साथ तो क्या होगा, मैक्सिम 5 हो जाएगा. बट वेन द नंबर इज ऑलरेडी 3 इज ऑलरेडी लेस देन 5, तो कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है, बट आपको मैक्सिम तो अपडेट करना पड़ेगा ना. नाउ द गाय विच यू हैव टू फाइट विद इज 3. सो when you are already less than that, then you just update the with the current value v of I, and the job is solved. The problem is solved, even though the solution is so difficult, but the code is only 4 5 lines, guys. 4 5 lines. Time complexity, guys, O of n. Space complexity, O of 1. Guys, I'm showing you the Java Python code also, don't worry. It is so simple that doesn't matter which language code you're writing. Space complexity, O of 1. So time, guys. Java code. See, Java, very nice language. So, guys, see, take the list V, okay. Take the input of all the elements V dot add value. Start going from the second last guy. Last guy, you call this as the max mean. Max means जिसके साथ लड़ाई करना है. लड़ाई करना चालू कर दो भाई और अपडेट करो, पार्टीशन गिनो, काम खत्म, चलो निकले, बोरी बिस्तर बांध के निकल लो. पाइथन, favorite language, guys, favorite language. Take the input of N and V. सो ओशी मैम हैज मैसेज्ड अस. क्या लिखा है? सॉरी, आज मैं घर पे फोन रख के चली गई थी. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम, मैं आपसे बाद में मिलूंगा, पहले मुझे बच्चों को फोकस करने दो. सो नाउ गाइस, पाइथन कोड, गाइस, पाइथन कोड, पाइथन कोड, गाइस, पाइथन. या सो आंसर इज 0. सो गाइस, दिस v-1, ये क्या होता है पाइथन में? आप लोगों को पता है क्या होता है? लास्ट एलिमेंट होता है, लास्ट एलिमेंट. ऐसा क्यों लिखते हैं मुझे भी नहीं पता, गाइस. I don't know why Python is such a bad language. V of -1. What the heck is this? What is this? Such a failure. Anyways, guys, इसका मतलब है last element of the list. Clear, guys? Last element of the list. नहीं, मैं सच सच बात बता रहा हूँ. Such a failure, such a failure of a language. फिर बच्चे बोलते सर पाइथन में डीएसए नहीं हो रहा है, कैसे होगा? V of -1 कभी पढ़ा था जिंदगी में? Anyways, guys, going back to the problem. Going back. Lots of frustration removed. So V of -1, very good, nice. So if I is in the range -2 to -1, if V of I greater than max mean, guys, you calculate the partitions. भाई कैसा ही लिख रहा है पाइथन वाला कोड, देख के डर लग रहा है. I will have to update this, guys. How, why is he writing -2 times? Sorry, guys, I converted the Python code by Chat GPT, guys. So देख लिया ना, Chat GPT आपका जॉब नहीं लेगा. I converted this to Python by using Chat GPT. Don't worry, I will now update it. So minus minus plus, guys. Okay, minus plus. So you can remove this minus. Chat GPT does not understand. आपको तो पता चलता है ना, यहाँ से निकाल देना. आंसर इक्वल टू आंसर प्लस पार्टीशन 1. अच्छा सॉरी, ये लगता है कुछ सील वील कर रहा है. हाँ, सॉरी. चैट जीपीटी इज नॉट बेवकूफ. इज डूइंग समथिंग, गाइस, डूइंग समथिंग. एनीवेज, मैक्स मीन इज इक्वल टू वी ऑफ आई डिवाइड बाय पार्टीशन. गाइस, यही 4 चीजें कर रहा हूं, पता है ना. जब भी पीछे का नंबर आता है, पहले डिवाइड करो, चेक करो, पॉइंट निकालो, फिर से डिवाइड करो, चेक करो, आगे करो, निकालो, बाहर निकलो. क्लियर, गाइस? Algorithm is clear na, guys? Yeah, I know algorithm is clear. Python code is very difficult, I know that. Yeah, I think Python doesn't have a seal function. मैं इसको अपडेट करूंगा. Okay, don't worry. Yeah, no, it will not take job, guys, or not take job. Okay. Yeah, तुम लोग का पता नहीं, मेरा जॉब नहीं ले पाएगा पक्का. Yes, guys, 28 LPA, 2 LPA नहीं लेने देंगे. Okay, guys, yes. So, guys, if you want to divide 28 LPA, tell me the answer. Tell me how will you divide this? 28 by 6. 6 4 are 24. कुछ 4 पॉइंट कुछ आ रहा है, राइट? तो 5 ले लेंगे. 28 by 5 करेंगे तो 5 5 जा 25. So in the 5 parts, you should make 5 parts like this. फाइव 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 फाइव, एल्गोरिदम इज क्लियर ना, कर लोगे, कोई बड़ा बात नहीं है। अब कितना रह गया, तीन रह गया, तो एक इसको दे दो गरीब को, एक इसको दे दो, एक इसको दे दो, फाइव सिक्स डन। गाइस आई नाउ assume that everyone understood what to do. Clear guys? Good. Now I'm saving the recording. Where did the recording go? Okay. So guys, unfortunately, my laptop is hanging. So you guys can start leaving the session. I will have to